Hey, this is Greg from 3D Printed Solid. We're doing a video today, the introduction and installation guide for the Motostryke suppressor. This design has 8 different colors, usually opposing colors. So in the case that you see here in the first one, this is a red body with a black accents. And then the opposing color is the next one to it, is a black body with the red accents. And you can see what it looks like here. We have one installed on this gun. This is a matching scope. We also came out with this dart holder in the last few days, so you should see that in the store in maybe a week or so. This is a fully decked out Motostryke. I'm not sure what else we can do for the gun, but we've got quite a number of designs worked out for the Motostryke, so this is a pretty neat gun. So when you purchase one of the suppressors, you can get the adapter separately, but you'll buy the kit the way it comes. So you'll get basically these 2 pieces, the adapter that goes onto the gun, and then the suppressor that goes onto the adapter. The other things you'll get is a template. Now this is to mount the adapter onto the gun. There's 2 templates, one for the top and one for the bottom. So what you want to do is, once you get this, you cut the back side of them out so you can fit it onto the gun and get your marks. So you can just use the scissors. It's a little easier just to cut the back side of it out. You can cut the whole thing out if you want to, but it's just a little easier to hold on to. So once you cut the back side of it out, this fits onto the gun. We'll show you that in a minute. And then you mark 2 holes, and you'll need a 3/32 drill bit and a drill to drill 4 holes total in the gun, and they will line up with the 2 holes in the top of the adapter and the 2 holes in the bottom of the adapter. Now the fit of this inside the gun is very snug, but over time, you may bump into it every now and then, or a lot of vibration in jars. It may work loose, so we definitely recommend you put the screws in. Some of you may not need to do that if you're like switching things out, but we definitely recommend put the screws in. So we're going to go through how to put this suppressor and adapter on this gun and explain it to you in detail. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get your tools. Again, you need a drill with a 3/32 drill bit. You'll need a 3/32 hex key. You'll need the templates, which come with the suppressor. You'll need some type of screwdriver, Phillips head. This is I think a number 2 bit, and a pencil, and also possibly a razor blade to clean up after drilling. So the first thing you want to do is grab this is the top template. So you grab your template and you lay it right on until it matches up with the bottom of the frame of the gun. And once you have that, you take your pencil, pen, whatever kind of marker you want to use, make sure it's laying flat up against, and just put a small mark there. And you can see the two little marks they have there. And then you'll take your drill and just start slowly, so you don't walk the drill across the surface. Make a nice clean hole. Now this is where the razor blade comes in. It usually leaves like a burr on the top. You just clean that up if you want to. And you just do the same thing on the inside. Then you want to take your lower template, the bottom template, and do the same thing. So you lay that right on there until it meets up with this edge, the bottom edge here. And then you got your two marks. And then clean them up. And you take your adapter. It only goes in one way. And make sure you push it down tight. You'll notice that if you look at the side, none of these edges should be sticking up. If it is sticking up, make sure you wiggle it back and forth just a little bit to make sure that they're all down below the outside edge of the gun frame. And once you have that in there, you'll take your screws in the bottom, like that. On the top, and then it's secure. It's not coming out. Okay, once you got the adapter on, you're ready to put the suppressor on. Slides on, and if you look at the very bottom, there's a set screw in there. And what you do is you can take your 3/32 hex key, and you just want to snug that set screw up. Don't need to make it overly tight. Just check it. And there you go, it's installed. So again, you have your choice of colors. You can swap them in and out depending on what you want to do. The other thing to look out for is our 12 dart front mount Motostryke dart holder. That should be coming out in probably a week or so. We'll have black, white, red, orange. I think those are the 4 main colors. So thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.